Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send location on Instagram in message. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I'm going to my messaging option here and I'm opening a conversation. Inside of Instagram, here is no option to send location in a message. To send location, you will need to open your Google Map application and search your location and click on the share icon and click on this more icon, and now you'll need to select this Instagram chat option, so click on that and now select any conversation to send. Done. And now I'm going to opening the conversation, and here you can see I've successfully sent it location here. If you'd like to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.